Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So this is going to be a background tip for those of you who have issues with a blank page, with starting an ATC, an art journal page, even a canvas. This is a fun little thing that you can do, and there's so many different variations and blah, blah, blah. Now, I got these, what are they, like manila folder kind of things? Got them from the dollar store, and I'm doing certain organization things, which I'll show you, that may help you in the long run, because I have issues with like putting things away and storing them and saving them and knowing where they are and all the things. But that's not today. What I'm doing is going to decorate some of these as I was sitting here just playing, throwing a mixed media background. And a lot of you have issues with the backgrounds or starting or just something fun. So this is what we're going to do. This is not reinventing a wheel. It is just having a little bit of fun. So what I did was I took green, obviously, and I put it on the back. And I'm going to take a stencil, whatever kind of stencil you have. The bigger the hole, the better in this case. Anyway, so I'm going to have, you could use a baby wipe, or you could take a damp paper towel. And I'm going to take a little bit of black paint and just kind of run it like I'm doing a screen print kind of thing. And then I'm going to take a scrapey tool and just kind of scrape it down. Maybe you need more, maybe you need less. I need more. Usually I'm all about more. I don't know why I didn't do more this time. Anyway, you'll see. I bet you're already knowing what I'm going to do. I've done this before, but like I said, it's, you know, for some people, it may be new. And I know a lot of you write me and say, I don't know what to do for backgrounds to start. I hate starting ATCs. So this is a great way, and you can coordinate the colors with your, you know, what your theme is, or if you don't have a theme, you can just sit and take two colors and, you know, do your thing. So take a baby wipe is great. I don't have any here right now, or a paper towel. I'm going to lightly spray it. I might need a little bit more because that's a distress sprayer, which means it doesn't spray that much. And I'm going to hold on to it, and I'm going to wipe and wipe. And this is why baby wipe comes in a little bit more handy, because it does have the ability to, you know what, I need more paper towel. I don't know why that's not spraying up good. There we go. Okay. And what this becomes is a very, and you can make this as, you know, bright or not or whatever you want, but it becomes a background that's in the background but not really in the background kind of thing. You know, it's not like overpowering. And when you're doing mixed media, sometimes, you know, I get carried away and I get a little, we're just going to spray it. Alcohol would work too. Where's my alcohol? Let's do some alcohol and see what it does too. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Just helps with the water to separate that paint, especially as it starts to dry. Okay, so we have that, and you can tap it, you can do whatever, you can tap it. And then if it's, you know, if it's going over the edge, you can wipe it, you can spray it again. Not worrying about that right now. But when you lift it up, you can see you get this variation of the greens. So it's all jumbled, but you have a nice background. How cute. And the more effort you put into it, the, you know, better it looks. If you want to do a little bit of water. I was using alcohol prior, but see, the water takes it off even more. But you can see here, that's the alcohol, and then that's the water. But what happens is, you see how you get like, it's just a really cool kind of background. So those are ways to do it, you know, just so you get a little something. Now, if we were to just do this, let's do black while we got it. I'll just do some black here. And I'm just going to take this, do the same thing, because you see it's sinking into this paper. There's no gesso, there's no... But what I want to do is I want to get to it while it's wet, the paint. I don't want it to necessarily dry. Then we can go in, where'd she go? With this again, I will spray some more alcohol on top, and you can already see it lifting. Watch. I need another paper towel. Now you can do this fancily where you take another piece of paper first, which I'm not going to do, but I'll use this instead. And you just kind of, if you use another piece of paper, you're going to kind of get a shadow print, which is cool because you can use it, you know, if that was on paper, even you can use it on here and glue it on as a background as well, which is cool as well. Oh my God, Cal. Anyway. So now I'm going to give it a spray. I mean a wipe. Medicine, medicine makes me crazy. And this is just one coat, one color. Lift it up. And you see how you get that really cool lace look? Look at that. So you have a really cool lace. Now, something, you know, for you guys to think about for ATC background. So if we go, remember, you have like a print here. You can have, this is with water. This is with the alcohol. And honestly, you can play and stop wherever you want. And then you saw this. Now this, what's fun is, let's say you don't have printer paper or you don't have whatever. You go to the dollar store, you buy a bunch of these, sit and do this. So we have this. So let it dry. If you want it a little bit lighter, you can spray a little bit more and lift it up. I'm happy with this. Dry it. When you're done, measure it out for ATC cards. 3.5 by 2.5, 3.5 by 2.5. Art journal page. Cut it to your size. Glue it on. These can just become your ATC backs, or you can glue it onto another card. And here you have a beginning where you can build. Maybe you want to make it gothy. Maybe you want to make it flowery. Maybe you want to do whatever you want to do, butterflies, whatever. But now you have your backgrounds. So they're already done. Cut them out, dry them, you know, put them in a pile. And when you want to go do an ATC, pull it out. There you go. So, you know, a couple different ways to do backgrounds. Like I said, this is fun. And this comes out a million different ways. Because like I said, you can see like how you have the darker green, but the black kind of adds a grunge to it. And I mean, then you can have just right here where I didn't do anything but smudge it. And then, like I said, the alcohol. So there's so many wonderful things. Let it dry. And I mean, you can just go at it. You got two sides that you can play with now. So, I mean, there are some, you know, a few. I could go on for hours doing backgrounds. But, you know, try them out and see if that helps you when you're in a new ATC swap or you're new to ATCs or whatever, you know, whatever you got going on. A lot of fun. Just sit and play. I mean, this is, if you don't walk away looking like this, then you're not having fun. So as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Please leave me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoy my videos, that I should continue on. And of course, email me or leave down below what kind of stuff that you want to see or that you want me to show. I have a few candle magic things coming up. I have a few Wiccan things coming up. I got a lot of questions about that. I have some more techniques and stuff like that for a lot of new people out there. Dave has his rune readings on Monday, and he's going to be starting to do his art again. So, you know, we have a lot coming up, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.